Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this video, we are going to talk about the detailed syllabus analysis of LSBT. Previously, there are exams like CSIR NET Life Science and there was another exam that is DBT BET Biotechnology Eligibility Test. Now, there has been a merger between these two examinations. Now, both the exams are merged together and we unify one particular examination. अभी सिर्फ एक ही एग्जाम होगा, दोनों को मर्ज कर दिया गया है और एग्जाम का नाम है LSBT, LS फॉर लाइफ साइंस, BT फॉर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. सो एवरी सिंगल एस्पायरेंट जो कि PhD करना चाहता है, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड से हो या फिर कोई भी अदर लाइफ साइंस के डिसिप्लिन से हो, दे वांट टू अटेंड द JRF फेलोशिप, दे वांट टू गेट इनटू दिस PhD प्रोग्राम via the stipend mode, they need to follow this LSBT syllabus. ये syllabus follow करके पढ़ना है. अब syllabus has changed, that means obviously new chapters have been incorporated. Some of the chapters are rebalanced, nothing is removed. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज यहाँ से निकाला नहीं गया, syllabus बढ़ाया गया है और कुछ chapters में syllabus reshuffle किया गया है. There were 13 units in CSIR NET Life Science syllabus. This time, as per their syllabus list, there are 14 chapters. But in reality, they added completely 2 new chapters. 2 complete नया chapters add किया गए हैं. एक chapters को shuffle कर दिया गया है और बाकी जो चीजें थे, those are as it is, right? So we are going to see what changes had been made to the syllabus. Now, I will be making 2 videos. One video is to talk about the detailed syllabus, the complete syllabus now for LSBT here in this particular video. In the next video, I'm just going to talk about the newly added portions, newly added chapters, topics and subtopics in that syllabus. Okay, so let's start. Look at the complete syllabus. This is the LSBT syllabus for CSIR NET. LSBT syllabus for the LSBT examination. We have a bad habit of speaking CSIR NET because we've been teaching for last over a decade on this syllabus. So it was LSBT syllabus and LSBT syllabus had this. Now earlier it was 13 units, now 14 units, but little bit rearrangement. Let me tell you quickly what has modified. So unit 1 remains same, biochemistry. Unit 2 remains same, cell biology. Unit 3 fundamental process, molecular biology remains same. Unit 4 cell communication and signaling remains same. Unit 5 developmental biology remains same. Unit 6 plant physiology remains same. Unit 7 animal physiology remains same. Unit 8 inheritance biology also same. Unit 9 evolution and diversity. So till unit 8, what I can tell you is here is that till unit 8 everything is fine. There is no change made whatsoever in this syllabus. No change. Okay, mark my word, no change here in this syllabus till unit 8 as per new LSBT syllabus. सारे के सारे चीजें same है, same to same CSIR NET के syllabus के साथ. Now the change has been made in unit 9, unit 10. नए syllabus के unit 9, 10 इसमें change आए हैं. And there will be change in unit 11 and 12. Addition of these 2 units. These are completely new units that are added. 11 and 12. 9 and 10 are reshuffled. This is reshuffled. Reshuffled. And means mixed. And unit 11 and 12 are completely new addition. Okay, chalo. Complete new addition here in unit 11 and 12 in LSBT syllabus. 9, 10 has been reshuffled from the old syllabus and new syllabus, and 1 to 8 is completely same, and 14 is same. 13 is little bit modified. 13 is also reshuffled. This is also reshuffled. 13 is also reshuffled. So in a nutshell, what I can tell you is that unit 1 to unit 8 remains same. Okay. Unit 9, unit 10 and unit 12 earlier. Unit 12 earlier, now it is unit 13. These are hybrids. These are hybrids. Means some portion from existing units, some portion from the new units. been added in here. And this last also there is also same units here for unit 14 of the new syllabus. Okay, and completely newly added syllabus is unit 11 and unit 12. This is newly added in the new syllabus. What we are looking here in the new syllabus, unit 1 to 8 and unit 14 are exactly same. So total 9 units are same as earlier units. 3 units are mixed from new and old. I mean the old units are mixed together. These are also same, but they are mixed. They are mixed together. So total you can see 12 units that were there earlier are same now with the new syllabus. So it gives us only 2 units, and that is unit 11 and unit 12 as per new syllabus. These are completely new topics added. This is unit 11 and unit 12 as per new LSBT syllabus, completely new topics added. So this is the reality. Even if you can't watch the whole video, you don't have time, watch till this point and you are okay to go. अभी हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे, सिलेबस को एनालाइज करेंगे, बट दिस इज द रियलिटी, दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड राइट नाउ एट दिस मोमेंट इन द एलएसबीटी सिलेबस. सो कुल मिलाकर ये बात है कि टोटल 12 यूनिट्स आर केप्ट द सेम एज पर द ओल्ड 13 यूनिट्स. 2 new units had been added, that's all. And among the 12 units, 11 units are exactly the same. 1 unit is mix and match with new and old syllabus. So तकरीबन 90%, 85% of the syllabus were kept the same. 15%, 5% of the syllabus are mix and match from old and new, and 10% is newly added. Okay, that's all. So उतना डरने की बात नहीं है. We can cover this up. As we successfully can prepare the 13 units, we can also prepare the rest of the 2 new chapters that are added. But reality ये है कि actually 2 chapter add हुआ है. वो कह रहे हैं 13 था 14 हो गया. That's not true. 2 chapters completely added, 1 chapter, half chapters new mixed and match added. So 2.5 chapters have been added. Okay, so now let's see, let's look at individual chapters. So if you understand till this part, you can leave this video now. It's your choice to watch the rest of the video, but you're all okay to go. You're okay to go because you know what has changed.